7 foods that may help support a healthy gut barrier. A healthy gut is one of the foundations of overall well-being. Your digestive system isn't just responsible for breaking down food. It also plays a major role in immunity, nutrient absorption, and even mood regulation. When the gut lining becomes irritated or compromised, some people refer to this as leaky gut, a term used to describe increased intestinal permeability. While the scientific community is still studying the full picture, many nutrition experts agree that certain foods can support gut health, reduce irritation, and help maintain a strong intestinal barrier. Today, we're exploring 7 foods commonly associated with supporting gut integrity, reducing inflammation, and promoting a balanced microbiome. This is general educational information, not medical advice, but it can help viewers understand how everyday foods may contribute to better digestive health. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most popular foods associated with gut support. It's rich in amino acids like glycine and glutamine, which play a role in maintaining the gut lining. These amino acids help nourish the cells of the intestinal wall and may support the repair process when the gut becomes irritated. Bone broth is also gentle on digestion, making it a good option for people who experience bloating or discomfort after eating heavier meals. Many people sip it warm, use it as a base for soups, or incorporate it into slow-cooked dishes. While it's not a miracle cure, bone broth can be a soothing, nutrient-dense addition to a gut-friendly diet. 2. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are packed with beneficial bacteria, probiotics, which help support a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy microbiome plays a key role in digestion, immune function, and maintaining the gut barrier. Some great fermented options include yogurt with live cultures,
Kefir,
sauerkraut,
kimchi, miso, tempeh.
These foods introduce helpful bacteria into the digestive system, which can support microbial diversity. A more diverse microbiome is often linked with better gut resilience and reduced inflammation. Adding a small serving of fermented foods daily can be a simple way to support gut health naturally. 3. Omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to gut irritation, so including omega-3 rich foods may help support a calmer digestive environment. Some excellent sources include
Salmon,
sardines, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts. These foods help support the body's natural inflammatory response and may contribute to a healthier gut lining. For people who don't eat fish, plant-based omega-3 sources like chia and flax are easy to add to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. 4. High-fiber fruits and vegetables. Fiber is essential for gut health. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system and helps maintain regular bowel movements. Certain types of fiber, especially soluble fiber, act as prebiotics, the food that probiotics thrive on. Some gut-friendly fruits and vegetables include bananas, berries, apples, asparagus, artichokes, garlic, onions. These foods help nourish the microbiome and support the production of short-chain fatty acids, which play a role in maintaining the gut barrier. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables also provides antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in the digestive tract. 5. Ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries to support digestion. It's known for its soothing properties and may help reduce nausea, bloating, and inflammation. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which support digestive comfort and may help calm an irritated gut. You can enjoy ginger in many forms. Fresh ginger tea, grated into stir-fries, added to smoothies, used in soups or broths. Because ginger is gentle and versatile, it's an easy ingredient to incorporate into a gut-supportive routine. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is another powerful anti-inflammatory food. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its potential to support the body's natural inflammatory response. When the gut is inflamed or irritated, turmeric may help promote a calmer digestive environment. Turmeric pairs well with curries, soups, smoothies, golden milk drinks. Combining turmeric with black pepper can help increase curcumin absorption. While turmeric isn't a cure-all, It's a flavorful and beneficial spice that can support overall digestive wellness. 7. Foods rich in zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a role in immune function, tissue repair, and maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. Some research suggests that zinc may help support the tight junctions in the intestinal wall, which are important for preventing unwanted substances from passing through. Zinc-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils,
Cashews. Eggs.
oysters. Including a variety of zinc-containing foods can help support overall gut function and general well-being. Putting it all together, supporting gut health doesn't require extreme diets or complicated routines. Often, it's about adding nourishing, whole foods that help calm inflammation, feed beneficial bacteria, and support the gut lining. Here's a quick recap of the 7 foods that may help support a healthy gut barrier. Bone broth, fermented foods, omega-3 rich foods, high-fiber fruits and vegetables, ginger, turmeric, zinc-rich foods. These foods work best as part of a balanced, varied diet. Everyone's digestive system is different, so it's important to pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. This video is for educational purposes only. Anyone with ongoing digestive issues should speak with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.